Are y'all YouTubers or what? You don't grow no garage sale because I said a cuss word. Is that a GoPro?
Yeah. Well, it's similar.
Do you really?
Yeah, people like to watch it. So
I
I.
hear you.
Goodness gracious. What's up, guys? I'm back in the school line editing a video, and I realized I didn't have an intro. So welcome back, guys. It's officially garage sale season in Texas again. These are like extras, like bonus garage sales that I hit last year that never made it into a video before this. Appreciate you guys for being here, and let's get to those sales. Let's just walk over there and sit down with them. Okay, I think it'd be funny, like, but at the table. Morning. We got everything out here that you see, garage, everything inside. Everything inside? Yep. Cool. So it's like an estate sale?
Yep.
Cool.
Is it metal?
No. Oh God, we got out. We go in this way?
Yep.
Okay. Those are cool. Oh shit, sorry. That's cool. Why do I want that? What is this? This is cool. I want to know what it is. For $5? I'm gonna take a picture and see what that is. Or Pepsi. I don't know. I'm gonna get it. It's cool looking. Like, it genuinely is cool. I don't know what it is about it. It's just weird. I can't even say that. Parapluie? I don't even know how to say that. That is cool. It's probably like a reprint, maybe. Like a reprint. But, you know. Yeah. Alright, well, I think I'm done. I owe 10. I think I have a 10. This is 5, this is 5.
Yeah, so 10.
Do you know anything about this?
Yeah, so that's kind of a...
Okay, so I'm watching the edited version of this, and I realize this guy doesn't know anything about this. So, yeah, I'm just going to skip this part. Long story short, he doesn't know anything. He just said a bunch of random crap. Dang, I left my car running and parked nowhere near the curb. I'm just in the middle of the road. So don't be putting your junk on my art, alright? I'm just kidding.
Cool.
Morning. How are you? What is that? Well, I'll try to help you.
Fuck, man.
What is this? I want to know. That's cool. I'm gonna get this. I like old shit like this. I love old technology. Okay, cool. What is that?
Salt and pepper shaker.
Ooh, that's a good buy. I'm telling you, get it. Salt and pepper shakers. There's a whole community of those people. Collectors. Do you have a single dollar?
Yeah.
Will you do 2 on this?
Yeah.
It's 2 for that, and then I don't have a quarter. All right. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Micro cassette. That looks so cute, dude.
Doing all right today?
Yes, sir. How are you?
Pretty good.
How are y'all today?
Good. How are you? That's pretty neat. That's cool. What you got on this?
Hey Tina, all that stuff's hers.
Oh, okay. I'll ask her. What you got on this?
Just give me $2 for it.
Okay.
You're good.
Sounds good.
You don't want those Coca-Cola cookie jars that go with that, man? The vintage ones?
Is that what it goes with?
Well, when I bought them all as a little set. And I bought that picture and these together. And those are vintage Coca-Cola cookie jars, man.
That's cool.
You know? And I looked them up online, you know, and on like eBay and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Those cookie jars are worth like 20, 30 bucks a piece, man. They're all Coca-Cola, you know, they're vintage.
Yeah, that's cool.
But when I bought it as a little set, the picture and the little cookie jars. I'm not into Coca-Cola. I drink Dr. Pepper.
I do too.
I'm a Dr. Pepper Zero girl.
Well, how much for all of it?
Hey, you give me $20, man, you can take the cookie jars, because those are both worth like 30, $40 online. eBay, all that stuff. Actually, give me $15 and you can take it all. Because those are just, they're worth a little bit more.
Yeah.
You know?
I like the bear.
It's cool.
It's cool. Oh, this one's 94. That's the year I was born.
Well, see, it was meant to be. It was meant to be. Or give me $10, you take the polar bear and that. How about that? Or you want to take it off, or
I give you 5.
are y'all YouTubers or what?
Yeah, I like to record all the garage sales I go to.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, I didn't even fix my hair and I cut.
That's
so
okay.
don't put me on. Look,
That's
don't put me on growing no garage sale because I said a cuss word. I said a cuss word. Don't do that to me. I go to church, boy, every Sunday.
It's okay. I won't tell them. I'm going to keep it this way. You have a 5?
Yeah. Oh, that's a 1.
So what can we get for 10?
For 10? Just take both cookie jars in that picture. What's he got in his hand? A 5?
Yeah.
10? Take it up. Take the 2 cookie jars and the Coke.
Okay.
I'll make you a deal, man.
I appreciate
You know
it.
what I'm
Thank
saying?
you.
Ain't nothing
That's
wrong
cool.
with no deals.
Cool. Well, you grab.
Hey, because guess what? I'm trying to get rid of it.
There you go. Mission accomplished.
I have some little sacks. Y'all need little sacks? Or a little bag?
Yeah, probably. Just grab 1 or 2, so they don't break in the car. And then I'll carry this. I'll keep it in the.
I appreciate you guys.
Yeah, thank you so much. That's cool. Okay. I'll mute it.
Don't put no audio on that.
I gotta say. Got all this camo stuff. That's pretty cool. What is dollar bean? Dude, that's like one of them
Oh, the
Camelback.
yeah.
I'm gonna get that. That's cool.
That is sweet.
Camel toe? What is it called?
I think so.
Look, there's a Camelback.
How are they allowed to sell that?
I don't know. You're asking the wrong person. Would you ever use one of these? I'm gonna get it to like actually use when me and Yan go hiking. Is there another camel toe? It's $1. That's what I'm asking. What is this? Ew. Is it? No, this isn't, buddy. It's like, look, small, short. It's some kind of, what is that? Look, another Camelback. I forgot where I was for like 30 seconds. Like I just woke up or something. I wonder what is in here. What is that? I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what this is?
I do, and there's actually 2 of these.
Oh, okay.
This would be the trousers of it. Have you ever were you military or anything? Okay, so this is what they call an NBC suit. So anytime there's a nuclear, biological, chemical reaction in the air, you would don this outfit. So anything that drops out of the air falls in the outfit and not on your skin.
So it's probably tight, huh?
This is the medium short.
I just think it's cool. Right, that's crazy. Yeah. These are cool. I'm gonna use these when I go hiking.
Yeah,
they hold
those
water?
are great, and they're easy to clean out. Like this one's brand new, so you kind of really don't need to clean it. You can just flush it out with some water.
So you were military?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, and this one, they're easy to clean out. You just got to get like some, you know, like those little iodine tablets.
Yeah.
You just shake it up, put it in there, clean it out, and just flush it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I just think it's interesting. So what do I owe you here? And these. Okay.
Is that a GoPro?
Yeah. Well, it's similar. Yeah, I record all the garage sales I go to.
Do you really?
Yeah, people like to watch it.
I know.
So
I hear you.
I record it.
Actually. So I think you've got them all. If you want, you can actually take this. This is the cleaning kit for those Camelbacks.
Oh,
You
okay.
can just keep at it.
Oh, okay. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
That's really cool.
I'm-
That's super neat. Yeah, for sure. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. You have a good day. That's a good deal. It's just a decal though, it's not real. Hello. Good, how are you? These are those ones that shoot real hard, you said?
I mean, not Ninja Turtles, but look like this.
That's kind of cool. I bet it would sell, dude. Go on and cup it. Do you have $2?
No.
You don't?
Gave my last dollar to that kid.
Did you? What is it? That's cool. I'll get it. Just grab it. Do you know if this works? Or has it got the red ring?
But all the controllers, everything there is.
I'll get this out. Am I blind? Does it say? It's probably 4 gig, I would think. Think about it. It goes in like this. Skate 3, that was a good game. Think about it. So what, like 15 for all of that? Yeah.
Yeah, the controllers in the console, yeah, it's 10 for all that. Is there something else?
Well, I was saying, because this is, this has $2 on it, so I didn't know.
Oh, you can grab it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All of it, 10. Yeah, he'll go in the games too.
Okay. Do you have a 10 by chance? I don't have a 10. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'll make it easy, so it's still 10. That's $2. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Yeah. You too. Dang, Gavin, I need a pogo stick, honestly.
Do you need a pogo stick?
Do you need a pogo stick?
I don't need a pogo stick.
Come on. I'm going to get it. How much is your pogo stick? 3? Okay. Okay. Oh, goodness gracious. Why did I buy a pogo stick? There's a Lego. Morning. Look, Beanie Babies. Beanie Babies. You remember those? No? Oh, you're young. Gee, what are these? They're cute. Hey. Look at these. I always forget to show the camera shit. Y'all selling breakfast?
I probably make more money doing that. I'm actually pretty decent cook.
Oh, look at these. Did you do $1 on both of these?
Sure.
Okay. They're cool.
I'm a librarian, so
Oh, that's
that's
cool.
kind of my world. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
You too. You guys have fun today.
Look at them. God dog it. Why did I buy this? I appreciate you guys for sticking around. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try to make these videos a little bit shorter and then make more of them, maybe 1.5 to 2 a week, you know, as an average. My focus isn't to really put as much value as far as products go in one video. It's more so like, you know, entertainment factor. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed the sales that we went to, found some weird items. I just want to point out, you know, in this video, we actually hit way more sales than what I showed on camera. I can't remember if I showed 5 or 6 on camera, but we went to more than just 5 or 6. We probably went to like 25 or so. And I bought small ticket items. I want to make these videos like as entertaining as possible and show you the coolest stuff. I don't want to just show you every single little $2 and $3 thing I buy, because sometimes I do make bad purchases like coffee mugs and stuff like that. And my new focus for 2024 is to buy things that resell for at least $15. I want to go with a $15 minimum, and I want to really focus on buying more in bulk and try to find those, you know, multi-quantity listings, things like that. Everyone picks differently. The people that I go with, they don't pick similar to me as far as items, or as, you know, their game plan is a lot different. So I really want to focus on what it is that I want to do and do what I want to do versus trying to do, you know, the latest strategy. So yeah, I'm shooting for $15 items. Anything under that I'm not really going to show in the videos. My plan is, if I do make bad purchases, I'm just going to try to recoup my money at the, you know, in the middle of the summer and have my own garage sale, and then do one at the end of summer to just get rid of that stuff, recoup that cash. And yeah, I'm steadily learning as I go. I can only really get better. So yeah, I just wanted to say thanks for watching the videos. I'm really close to 500 subscribers. It'd be cool if we hit it, but hey, if not, it is what it is. Anyways, yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.